Now we want to talk a little bit about the concept of Publish Anywhere. Publish Anywhere allows for our content partners' content to be delivered to other LTI compliant learning management systems like Canvas, Schoology, Blackboard, Moodle, so on and so forth. This makes it very good because our publishers have the ability to not only service users on the Buzz platform, but if a customer wants their content and already has acquired an LMS, Publish Anywhere allows that business to continue. So basically what happens with Publish Anywhere is the content is set up on-site Buzz, and in this case I'm looking at grade 5, and what they would do is they would export that IMS package. We can come through and we'll tell them exactly what to be careful for as far as the IMS global standards are concerned. Ultimately, a key and a secret and a thin common cartridge is created and delivered to the customer. So in this case, if we come back and look, this is what it looks like on Buzz. If I come into what is science, what is scientist, you can see that it's going to come up. It's going to present the data. This is kind of unique content in that as I scroll down to the bottom, it actually has embedded quizzes inside the learning activity itself. So it's a combination of instruction and quizzes, which works out really, really well. It also is very, very difficult to kick over into another LMS. And so because Publish Anywhere was built with a content management system and a learning management system combined together, we have the ability to really display all of our content inside another system. So in this case, what we did is I've gone ahead and loaded this up over in Canvas. And so this is what it looks like in Canvas. I've also loaded it up inside Schoology. And in this case, I've obviously already turned on What is the Scientist? You can see what it looks like. As I scroll down through this, make this a little bit smaller. Scroll down through this, you can see that it presents it. I have all the content. I have the questions at the end. It works great. If I come back over here, same concept. As I come in, and I take a look at the learning activity inside Canvas, again, I have the benefit of seeing the content, moving down through it, again, having the quizzes. So not only can we display the content extremely well, but because we have the LMS capabilities, I'm not just displaying the content, I'm actually embedding some of Buzz inside these other LTI compliant learning management systems. So I also include the grader capability. So in this case, I can go through and look, this student has already been graded. This student is submitted, but there are a few essay questions in here that I need to grade them on. So I'm going to go ahead and just grade them on the remaining elements of this. And then I will be ready to go. The rest of it is already graded for them. I can go ahead and give them a response. It might be audio, video, it could be a template, and then I can submit the score. That score is then directed back to the student gradebook, back to the host LMS gradebook. And so it works out really well. I can move between customers. All of this data is shipped over to the host LMS. We also give them analytics, very unique in the way Publish Anywhere offers this information up, because I can come in and I can see exactly how they did, what percentage right, what percentage wrong, do I need to stop and remediate? All of that detail is available, and many of the host LMSs that Publish Anywhere will run inside don't have this level of analytics on their quizzes. We also expose the setting tab so that a customer who receives a Publish Anywhere package from one of our content partners has the ability to treat it as an assessment. They control all sorts of things that allow them to present the assessment in the way they want to do it, even though it's not coming over, it's coming over as an LTI link. So again, some really cool stuff happening inside here. It really elevates the game of the learning tools interoperability, the whole thin common cartridge concept, and creates an environment that has been very well received. So whether it's in Canvas, Schoology, Blackboard, or native on Buzz, we can render the same content across any LMS.